Nike's futuristic 3D printed Air Max series just got even better. Meet the Air Max 1000.2 Black, the updated follow-up to the original Air Max 1000, developed in partnership with 3D printing leader Zellerfeld. This model stays true to its roots, carrying forward the unmistakable DNA of the legendary Air Max 1, while solving key areas from the first version. It brings a more refined production process, a reworked outsole shape, and major improvements in everyday comfort and wearability. The black colorway delivers a strong, utilitarian look from top to bottom. Its upper features unique wavy textures that directly reference the iconic mudguard shape found on the original Air Max 1. Built as a laceless slip-on, it offers a smooth, seamless fit with no extra hardware to get in the way. The entire silhouette is fully sculpted, with layered textures and precise printed details that give it depth and dimension. Proving that 3D printing isn't just innovative, it can also look incredibly sleek and purposeful. This update marks a big step forward for Nike's additive manufacturing journey, balancing futuristic technology with classic Air Max identity. Whether you follow sneaker innovation or love fresh, modern silhouettes, the Air Max 1000.2 Black stands out as something truly different. Stay tuned right here on the drop code for official launch timing, pricing, and where you can grab this next-gen Air Max when it releases.